If you're someone who struggles with dehydrated skin in the fall and the winter when there's not as much moisture in the air, you're going to want to look into Magic Molecule. I know you probably already use, a lotion or a cream or something like that, especially if you're like me, where you just have to do that on a routine basis or your skin is going to get like mine looks right now if I missed a few days and it looks so bad. But if you also have issues with your knuckles getting really dry and cracking and bleeding, this is going to be really, really essential for you to help repair that quicker. And it's going to give protection and coverage. So this has the hydrogel spray. This is the hydrochloric acid solution. You can use it anywhere on the body. I'm going to show you how the gel spray kind of looks. You can kind of see the texture. It is thicker than their other option. I wanted that coverage. I wanted the thickness because my knees are the worst right now. So I want to make sure that anytime I can, I spray this on maybe 2 or 3 times a day and just promote that extra healing so that I do not get a lot of cracks, get bleeding, and just the dehydrated skin can work on repairing. I love to do this at night in particular, again, promoting that healing process. This is great for kids as well. You can stick this in the car. Make sure you have one on hand. It's going to be really great to keep, cuts and scrapes or maybe even sunburns under control this summer. It also works on that. There's so many use cases for this. It's going to balance out that pH within the skin if you have a rash going on that you need to kind of get under control while you figure something else out, like hives and stuff. So this does a lot. It's a really great first aid essential. So keep one in the car for your toddler, keep one in your medicine cabinet, your first aid kit. You're going to want to have this on hand, and hopefully you like it as much as I have.